so nice. So my good people, welcome back to your channel, Rebbykit Foods, a channel of amazing recipes, amazing food, traditional foods, breakfast tips, and all that. So if you're new in this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, view my videos. If you love them, give them a like, and then remember to switch on that notification bell so that whenever posting videos, you will be among the first people to see my videos. So my people, I don't know from which country you're watching me from. If you are in Kenya, it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm coming back with some breakfast idea or breakfast tip. Guys, look at this. My today's recipe is on Spanish omelette. Guys, I love this recipe so much. It's a recipe from Spain, and I love their way of making their omelette. Guys, normal omelette, but I love theirs. I love Spanish omelette. Reason, because apart from making me feel fuller, I also love the taste. Just the same like Tanzanian omelette. In fact, Tanzanian call it zege. And then they use their zege as a snack, as an evening snack. And that the only difference is that the ingredients in Tanzanian zege involves tomatoes and tomatoes, some bell peppers, and all that. So Spanish omelette makes me feel fuller, and I love the taste, guys. So this is the recipe that we are going to do. So kindly watch this video until the end. So guys, the ingredients I have with me, I have my English potatoes here. I have my onions. So you guys, you can use white onions, red onions, or spring onions. But for me, I'm going to use both the red onions and the spring onions because guys, I love the smell of this or the aroma of these spring onions. Then apart from that, here I have my 4 eggs. I'm going to use these eggs for my omelette. Some salt to I'll start with my potatoes. I start just by peeling my potatoes. So guys, when you're peeling the potatoes or when you're cutting the potatoes, make sure you make sure you cut them not so light, not so thick, for easy cooking, and also cook easily. That is faster. So I'll start by peeling we're going to cut our potatoes into halves or into cubes. So make sure it's not so thick, not so light, for easy cooking, or also that they can cook faster. Guys, I love the aroma or the smell of these spring onions. So this is optional depending on your taste. But for me, what makes me feel the better taste of this omelette, Spanish omelette, is these spring onions. The white part, I'm going to use it for cooking together with so that the aroma can get into the potatoes. And the greeny part of it, I'm going to put it later just to garnish it with so that it can look more attractive. Apart from the taste, apart from the smell, it will also make it look beautiful. So just stay tuned. And for this, I will add them to my red onions. This is my onions, red and the spring onions, and these are my potatoes. So I'm going to start cooking my Spanish omelette. And first, before you put anything else, heat the pan so that you can get oil hot before you put oil. So come with me. I'm heating my pan, and kindly let the pan get hot before you put oil. In about a minute so that it can get hot. When it gets hot enough, you can add in your keep turning them for about 3 minutes before potatoes for a while. Then now you can soothe them with your onions. So keep turning your onions. So guys, you will just let them cook until everything gets golden brown. Guys, continue turning. I can see my onions have started withering or becoming translucent, but that is not just enough. Guys, at this time the heat has to be medium-low heat. The time when you are making this, shooting these potatoes. I can see my potatoes are already getting golden brown. So you'll keep on turning for about 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, you can see everything is now well, they are golden brown. So I'm going to take it off at this moment. So I'll switch off. Before you take it out, poke the potato with your fork to find out whether it's soft or whether it's cooked. So you see, guys, it's just, so at this time now, I'm going to change everything into this bowl now. So these are my potatoes. So next, I have my bowl here. I have my 4 eggs here. I'll crack my eggs. Some salt. At this point, I'm going to beat my eggs. You can use a whisk. A whisk can help you beat your eggs well until very, very smooth. So guys, now at this point, now you can add in your mix of potatoes, and this is the time now you can add your live spring onions. Mix everything well. So guys, you see this, So I'm going to leave it for about 15-20 minutes aside first so that your omelette can be more flavorful. So I'll cover it and put it aside for just 15 to 20 minutes. You can add some oil. Let your oil heat fast at a medium to low heat. Mhm. After 15 minutes, this is my mix. So we are going to add in everything. Then I'm going to cover it. You have to loosen the edges. Loosen the edges for easy turning. Yeah? So at this time also you should lower the heat so that it doesn't get burnt. So guys, if you shake, find it loose, that is the best point now. You can flip the omelette with the plate to help you turn the plate. So what I'm going to do, I'll do this. So you let the other side also start. Wow, look at this, guys. So guys, this is my Spanish omelette. Come on, just look at it. Guys, the aroma is really aroming. And the aroma of the spring onions. Guys, you can see my spring onions, the ones I used to garnish this, has made it look so attractive. And leave alone being attractive is it has very nice aroma. So this is my Spanish omelette. Guys, I love this so much. You can have it. And it's good when you serve it when it's hot or warm. And if at all you add some salad, it's better served with some salad on it. So I only wish I had some salad to serve it with it. I always take it with some salad. It's very nice and tasty. Wow, wow, wow. So nice. So guys, look at this. Wow. Spanish omelette. So nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Try this Spanish omelette. You will really love it. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Welcome.